Welcome to 18072 Hartlin Avenue South in Lakeville, Minnesota. This beautiful two-story home was built in 2021, features over 2,600 finished square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. As I take you in, you will see how beautiful this is. And if you're looking at new construction, this feels like it's still new construction. You can move right in and not do a thing. So there's an office right off the entryway. That door leads to the basement, steps to the upstairs. Huge open floor plan, all very neutral, all white woodwork, stainless steel appliances, premier lighting, wainscoting, walk-in pantry, storage closets, beautiful wood floors. There's so many great things about this house. You feel like you're buying new construction because it's only 3 years old. So why buy new construction when you can have a house like this that will give you an extra $100,000 plus worth of value that you're not going to get in new construction? Soft closed drawers and doors, all appliances stay with the home, stone countertops, deep stainless steel sink, lots of storage, lots of prep space. You've got the center island. When I'm talking about $100,000 worth of value, I'm talking about this: a deck that has maintenance free footing on it. The backyard is completely fenced in the 6-foot vinyl privacy fence. You have extensive landscaping, and you have a lower level that's completely finished and walk out to the backyard. So if you add all that stuff up, that typically does not come with new construction. So you can figure if you want those things, you're going to look at another $100,000 or more to add to it. This has the raised panel doors. Everything is crisp and clean and extremely great condition. Lots of natural light throughout the day because of the amount of windows. Upstairs, as you can see, there's a little nook right there. Off to the right, let's go to the primary bedroom first. The primary is very spacious with vaulted ceilings. You could add a ceiling fan if you want. All the wiring is there. Carpet's in excellent condition. The primary has a private walk-in closet as well as a private bathroom. There's a better shot of the backyard. There's a big fire pit back out there, plenty of space if you wanted to add children's play set, garden, any or outdoor activity that you can think of. Taking you into the private bath, it's 2 sinks, great flooring, huge walk-in shower with real tile, and there's the toilet off to the left. So it's a wonderful space that has all of the extras you would want when you move into new construction. Plus, like I said, all the bonuses of everything from the lower level being finished. You have an upstairs laundry, which is really nice to have, so you don't have to haul your clothing downstairs. Then off to the right here is a full bathroom on the 2nd level, so this is number 2 of 4. Plenty of storage. There is a linen closet here to the right. And then this is the 2nd bedroom, and after this I'll show you the 3rd. All of them have good sized closets. Any one of them would work for an extra home office, a guest bedroom if you didn't need it for your family. So there's not much to do. It's literally just move right in. There's no work to be done. Because the house was built in 2021, all the mechanicals, the roof, everything's only 3 years old. Vinyl windows, there's absolutely no work that needs to be done. The lower level family room has a bar, and the bar is going to stay. Notice the sliding glass door, which is a walkout to the backyard for the fire pit or just the privacy to enjoy. There's also a deck as well, as I showed you, off of the kitchen. So everything can be accessed to the backyard this way as well. The house has been lovingly cared for. Again, it has over 2,600 finished square feet. It's just off of Cedar, south of Dodge, so you're less than 5 minutes shopping. It's very convenient. Lakeville South High School. And again, why buy new construction when you can save yourself $100,000 plus? Poured foundation, all of the latest insulating, all of the appliances stay with the home again. All of the mechanicals are in excellent condition. There is a 3/4 bath here on the lower level, as well as the 4th bedroom. So 4 bedrooms, the office, 2 living rooms, 2-car attached garage, great neighborhood. You can't ask for any more than this. Why wait 9 months to a year or longer to get into new construction where you can move in right away with this one? please come take a look. I don't believe it's going to last long. It's priced to sell.